Sawadee ka! Hi all! Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'd like to show you how to make a delicious coconut soup with galangal and chicken or Tom Kha Gai. So come here and let's take a look at the ingredients. 500 milliliter of coconut milk, 400 grams of chicken, galangal, bird's eye chili, shallots, cherry tomato, lime, angel mushroom, lemongrass, palm sugar, and fish sauce. First, I'm going to prepare the galangal, lemongrass, and shallots. After you beat it, you smell it, it's really fragrant. At medium heat, then you add the coconut milk into the pot. Put all the herbs that we just prepared in the soup. So while we're waiting the soup to boil, we're going to prepare the angel mushroom. After you wash this angel mushroom, you just cut the hard part out a little bit and then you tear them into 3 parts. Like that. Okay, the soup is boiling, so we can start to add the chicken in the soup. Cherry tomato. The big one gonna be cut into half. I leave the small one just like that. Here I use bird's eye chilies. I use 6 of them. But if you want it to be like soup for starter, so you don't have to use much chilies. And I cut them diagonally. Okay, the soup smells good now. Then I'm going to add the tomatoes. Follow immediately with mushroom. Then the chilies go in. Also palm sugar. I use half tablespoon of palm sugar. Don't put any fish sauce or lime at this stage because the taste is gonna disappear in the heat. I took the heat off and then I add the Kaffir Lime leaf. There you go. I'm gonna season it with lime and fish sauce. So I put something like 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice. And then the same ratio, 2.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Final step, taste and plate. It tastes good already. But however, I have to tell you this. After a while, the taste might disappear a little bit because of the heat. So I normally do, after I plate it, before I serve, I season it a little bit more, like a little bit of fish sauce and lime juice. That also depends on your preference as well. So you can garnish it with Kaffir Lime leaf and coriander. So now you know how to make Tom Kha Gai or Thai coconut soup with galangal and chicken. So please try this at home. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share and leave some comments. For today, have a spicy day. Bye!